Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Noah Hardenberg, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be making slime with Caitlin's cakes.
And it's not going to be glue and borax or activator.
We're going to be using
So the things that you'll need is some kind of soap. I think this soap works the best.
It's called,
soft soap.
And then we also need salt.
And you also need a fridge. You'll need a mixing tool and something to make it in. Okay.
Yeah, we're just using a spoon because, yeah. Okay.
So what's going to happen is you're going to add your desired amount. Tell me when to stop.
Stop. Or no, like 4 more. Okay, that's good. I don't want to add too much.
Okay, so you can't see it because it's not color. Then you're going to add some salt. You're going to want to add a little bit at a time. You'll know it's working when it starts clumping together. You're doing it wrong. You're supposed to... How do I know how your salt thing works? See how it's starting to clump together?
I can do it.
Add a little bit. No, that's a lot. That's a lot. You might want to add some more soap because look how much slime you're making.
I'm not making that much. Okay, I'll add how many more squirts?
4 more. Okay. Then we're going to have to add more salt then. You want it to where you normally make slime when you borax it. You want it to be that clumpy. So it's going to be foggy at first, but...
Wait, okay, show them what it looks like so far.
So you can actually see it now? Or we have bad lighting, so it's not going to show. You might have to go over with the camera.
That's what it should start, That's what it should start to look like. It's just starting to be clear.
Or it's going to be foggy.
Oh, Jesus, I just smacked it with soap.
A little more salt.
Just do a pen.
Okay, so now we're going to put it in the fridge for 5 minutes.
Are we seriously going to make them wait 5 minutes?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, let's just entertain them.
Probably should put the spoon in there.
Yeah. Wait, we should do like one of those things where they put the 5 minutes later screen on the thing.
Make hands clap. Make their hands clap.
What are those? Boy.
Belly button.
Oh, Jesus, Caitlin. Sit your butt down now. Soap.
So yeah, the best thing is soft soap or any kind of, or dial, because those actually, when you kind of mix them, they already start clumping together.
Do you want to put that back for now?
Yeah. And then salt.
I'll put them back in here.
It doesn't matter if it's, I don't think it matters if it's sea salt or regular salt. Yeah. This is not a slime that we made with the salt. This is an activator and glue. It's a nice tan one.
Wait, where's the purple slime?
It's over there.
Oh, I see it.
It's not that sticky, but the purple slime is the best slime.
Yeah, it's really stretchy.
It's a purple, foamy, glittery.
It has glitter in it, but it doesn't have a lot of glitter in it.
It has a lot. I have glitter on my hands.
When I make this, I didn't add glitter in it, but I added these little foam lube things, whatever you said they're called, foam lubes.
We have another
foam
4 minutes.
What?
We have another 4 minutes.
I really hope that they. It looks like a hot dog, guys. It looks like a hot dog. No, it doesn't. It does not look like a hot dog. That does not.
A hot dog would be this.
It's not sticking to me.
This is a hot dog.
That looks.
It looks more like a hot dog than a purple hot dog.
What'd you
This
say?
is closer to a hot dog color than your purple slime.
In your face. Oh, savagery! Savage!
In my face.
Gucci on them haters. Gucci on them.
So we are going to do a Dave and Buster's.
Okay, guys, that's like the little, like, tiny, like,
Foam beads.
white, the foam beads that I added in them. I have now the oh Jesus. I have no idea how the glitter got in there, but I added the foam beads in.
So yeah.
I really hope bricks not coming
Yeah.
down. Yep. I'm lifting weights. Oh no, it's so heavy.
Oh, no.
So Kayla, apparently Dean commented on some of my videos.
What did he say?
He literally said, "Boo, you suck." I'm serious, he did.
Haters gonna hate. Haters, back off. Miranda sings.
Dean, you suck. I hate you, Dean. You freaking suck. You know what, Dean? Yeah, guys. His mom said that he can't have a YouTube channel until he's 13.
I'm 11.
And I'm 11.
I'm older than him. I'm in a grade above him.
You're in more than a grade above Dean.
I said above you.
You said above him.
I said, yeah. You dirt.
Oh, I thought you were talking to me. Caitlin, look at it. It's sticking on my middle finger because my middle finger is sticking up,
Still
not
have,
by
like-
itself.
Like 3 minutes left.
Don't me go check on it.
No, we have 3 minutes left.
I like making hot dogs. Hot dogs are good, though. Just so you know, guys, we do have actual hot dogs. And I'm going to go eat one. Take.
Purple slime. It's nice and stretched. Thumbnail. I'm a B. B-R-B. We have 2 minutes left.
What? On the video?
No, I'm sorry.
Come in, baby. What you waiting for?
Okay, guys. We're spinning something.
How do
We have
you-
1 minute left. Should do it live.
Caitlin, no.
Stop!
Nah. Nah.
I see you in the camera. Once it gets to 9:30 or 9 like something around there, and it's come 5 minutes.
Oh, dude. Kaylin, I was wiggling it and it broke. Oh, God.
Okay, I'm working my way checking it.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Make some slime. Tell me you made slime. Made very sticky slime. So if you guys are okay with some sticky slime, then it actually does work, but it just like leaves like a wet residue on your fingers. So now where you're like, you probably could add more salt. But get salt. Look at this.
Oh, ew.
It's really thick. I'm gonna add some more salt.
Asphalt. Wait, I'm gonna do it.
Don't add too much.
I'm
It's
gonna-
really jiggly. Could have keep going. Keep going. Okay, good.
I'm gonna play with my perfect slime that I made.
Let's see. Should add a little more salt.
I broke it. I broke these nuts. Caitlin, come here. I broke something.
These nuts.
Yeah, yeet.
Okay, now I'm gonna put it in there for another 5 minutes. I could add a little more salt.
And look, I'm gonna punch you. I'm gonna punch the viewers.
They might not want to be your YouTuber.
Hmm?
They might not want to. They might unsubscribe to you.
Why? Oh, let's go. Just so you know, guys, I'm gonna make a video later with my sister. She has a YouTube channel called Lizzie. Go subscribe. Wait, actually, I'm pretty sure her channel got deleted. Get wrecked, Lizzie.
Why?
I don't know, or that's what she told me. She said that her channel got deleted. Oh, it's so jiggly.
Another 5 minutes would be.
Anyways, guys, well,
We might have to make a part 2 because in another 5 minutes would be 16. So we're going to make a part 2 to this. So yeah.
Caitlin, your hair, your
Okay.
sexy hair got in my slime. Your sexy hair got in my slime.
Okay. So part 2 coming up.
Peace out.